So I thought I'd do this quick video because it may well help someone out. So if you've got a dead 12-volt battery and you need to jump start the van, in this case this is a Kangoo electric van, but they've still got 12-volt batteries like normal diesel vans. And if you were connecting that battery up with a jump pack or jump leads from another vehicle or another 12-volt battery, and you happen to get the terminals round the wrong way and you get a bit of a spark and you go and kill the van, this is what to check. So as you can guess, I did this myself. I was connecting the leads up to a battery on a Kangoo van, and I'd just done a Peugeot before, and for some reason I wasn't sort of concentrating and I got the plus or minus round the wrong way, and there was a spark and then nothing. On the dash I was just getting one red light, but the dash wasn't lighting up or anything. So this is what to check if you happen to do that. So underneath your cover, this is your positive side of the battery. In this case, it was that 175 amp fuse that had blown, and that's called a mega fuse, and in this particular case is 175 amp and it's a white one. I have a feeling, it was a while ago I did this now, so I can't quite remember, but I had a feeling I was testing these with a multimeter and I was doing a continuity test and it passed. But that's probably because it was looping back round and finding continuity another way. But if I did a voltage test, obviously plus 12 volts is on this side, but plus 12 volts wasn't on that side, and that then highlighted that fuse had blown. So if anyone else does the same thing, this is obviously what you've got to check first. It's likely to be the fuses off the positive terminal. And this mega fuse was about £2.50 off an eBay seller. So I hope that helps someone.